How to update your Roblox app on PC. The very first thing you do is open up your web browser, and then from here you're simply gonna go ahead and search for roblox.com and make sure that you have the app. If you don't have it, you're gonna have to install it from here. And if you already have the app and want to update it, search for Roblox here. And then on this Roblox player, you're gonna have to click on uninstall and then reinstall it. So click on uninstall like this, and it will open up your settings menu. Now from here, you're gonna have to search for Roblox player. So let's just click on search app and then search for Roblox player. And now here you'll see an uninstall button. So click on this uninstall option right here, and then click on uninstall. Now you can just simply open up Roblox. To download Roblox, you can open up Microsoft Store. So let's just search for Store. Now once you have opened up your Microsoft Store, go ahead and click on the search bar at the top and then simply search for Roblox. And then hit enter. Now you can easily download Roblox from here. So it's free, as you can see. Click on get, and now it'll start installing Roblox. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.